A doodle doodle da da. A doodle doodle da da da. Yeah, yeah.
Dear Amy, my short-haired tabby kitten, Frito, turns up his nose at catnip. I don't understand. I thought all cats like catnip. Well, and my 7-year-old Neezy, he can't get enough of the stuff, and he even tries to break into the cabinet where I keep his stash. Anyway, Frito, the kitten, is 4 months old. He just looks at Neezy doing his drunken kitty routine like he's insane. So, is my kitten normal? Should I worry? Why doesn't the kitten get it? Well, here's the deal. Catnip, as most cat owners know, is a kitty hallucinogen. I mean, this is a drug for cats that, no, they don't really get addicted. In fact, you can kind of wear it out if you let them indulge too much. But kittens generally don't react to catnip before about 6 months old. It's almost an acquired taste. The other thing is, not all cats react to catnip. They have to have the catnip gene. About a third of cats go absolutely bonkers for the stuff. Another third react sort of mildly, and there's a whole other third of cats that they could care less. They don't get it at all. So catnip is a terrific way to let your cat unwind and have a good time. They act like really kind of drunken fools and roll around and rub on objects. It looks like they have an absolutely wonderful time. You don't need to get into this stuff, though. Even if you inhale, it's not going to do anything for you. But catnip is perfectly safe for cats. Use it maybe once a week. It's a great training tool. You can rub catnip on the scratching post and entice your kitty to scratch the right object.
A doodle doodle da da. A doodle